Good afternoon. This is Harshit, your tech host for today, and welcome to today's Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. Click the subscribe button to stay updated. Apple CEO Tim Cook opened the Fifth Avenue store in New York to mark the official release of the iPhone 15 lineup, Apple Watch Series 9, and Apple Watch Ultra 2. Customers lined up for the new devices, with one person reportedly waiting in line since the previous evening. The release comes after Apple's annual launch event and the opening of pre-orders on 15 September. Analysts are monitoring whether these new iPhones can revive the global smartphone market, which has been on a downward trend. X is discontinuing its Circles feature, which allows users to restrict their posts to specific groups of people. The discontinuation is effective from 31st October 2023, and users won't be able to create new posts limited to circles or add new people to their circles after this date. Existing circles can still remove people from their circles by unfollowing them. The decision was announced on X website, providing instructions on how to remove people from circles. Users can follow removed individuals again, but they won't be added back to the circles. Next up, we have Uber Eats plans to launch an AI chatbot later this year, powered by Google's PaLM language model. The chatbot's purpose is to assist users in discovering offers, placing orders, and navigating the app more efficiently. It has access to data from over 9 lakh merchants and can help users find deals, reorder meals, plan meals, discover grocery item offers, and order recipe ingredients. Users can make specific requests and the chatbot will provide store and dish suggestions that match this criteria. Initially available in the US, UK, Australia, and Canada, with potential expansion in the future. Panos Panay, who led Microsoft's Surface and Windows division for over 2 decades, has left the company. Reports suggest his departure may be linked to dissatisfaction with recent changes in the Windows and Surface division. Speculations point to his possible move to Amazon to head the devices department, succeeding David Limp. Microsoft's significant investments in AI and resultant job cuts may have contributed to his departure. These investments also led to reduced resources for Panay's devices division due to financial shortfalls. Meta is working on an edit button for Threads, its competitor to X, formerly Twitter. This feature will allow users to edit their posts within 5 minutes of publishing them and display an edit history. Similar to Instagram's edited caption history, the feature aims to enhance post flexibility. Unclear when this feature will be available and whether it will be free or restricted to paid users. Meta continues to introduce new features and updates for Threads, improving user experience. The European Commission imposed a 376.36 million fine on Intel in an antitrust case related to actions from 2002 to 2006. Intel was found guilty of blocking sales of devices powered by competitor AMD's x86 CPUs. This fine follows a previous 1.06 billion fine in 2009, which was overturned last year. The fine reflects Intel's anti-competitive practices and exclusion of AMD from the market. It specifically addresses Intel's naked restrictions on competition. Next up, we have Google is reportedly adding a select all button to Gmail on Android devices. This feature simplifies email management by allowing users to select multiple emails for actions like deletion or archiving. Currently available on the desktop version of Gmail, it is gradually rolling out to Android users. Expected to be available on Android 14 and Android 13, improving the email management experience. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
एप्पल वर्सेस एंड्रॉइड, इन दोनों की लड़ाई तो हमेशा ही चलती रहती है। ऐसे 3 कॉमन फैक्ट जो एप्पल वर्सेस एंड्रॉइड के, चलिए जानते हैं। पॉइंट नंबर 1, इनके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। एंड्रॉइड ओएस का कंज्यूमर बेस विंडोज वाला है, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, जिसमें इजी टास्क परफॉर्म होते हैं। क्रैक्ड वर्जन डाउनलोड कर सकते हो और पैसा बहुत बच जाता है पेड सॉफ्टवेयर में। बट वही बात आती है एप्पल में भैया आपको बिल्कुल पैसे देने ही पड़ेंगे, आप कहीं से कोई क्रैक वर्जन यूज नहीं कर सकते। भले ही आप मैक ओएस के यूजर हो या एक आईफोन यूजर। पॉइंट नंबर 2, कैमरा। हमेशा एंड्रॉइड बोलता है हमारे पास इतने ज्यादा पिक्सल्स हैं, 108 मेगापिक्सल है, बट वही जो एप्पल का कैमरा है जो एक 13 मेगापिक्सल है वो डिफीट कर देता है उसको। ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि इसके अंदर मेगापिक्सल का जो गेम होता है वो होता है क्वालिटी लेंस का। सोनी के जो लेंस होते हैं वो यूज किए जाते हैं एप्पल के फोन में। पॉइंट नंबर 3 देखने से पहले कैप्शन जरूर चेकआउट कर लेना। एप्पल अपनी खुद की बायोनिक चिप्स बनाता है, वेयर सैमसंग जो है वो स्नैपड्रैगन, मीडियाटेक, इन सारे एक्सोनस, इन सारे प्रोसेसर्स का यूज करता है। जब स्पीड कंपैरिटी की बात आती है तो एप्पल यहाँ पे जीत जाता है, बिकॉज एप्पल के फोन सस्टेनेबल ज्यादा टाइम के लिए लॉन्ग टर्म चलते हैं और ये हैंग भी नहीं करते। इसका पार्ट 2 चाहिए तो जरूर कमेंट करके बताना। टिल देन मिलते हैं कल नई वीडियो के साथ। फॉलो आईटी शॉर्ट्स।